Targeting those least vaccinated spots and giving the people there the opportunity to get a shot is a priority in Pima County.
Instead of bringing people to vaccine sites, they're bringing the vaccine to the people. And 9 News' Sierra Encinas explains how it's going so far.
Pop-up vaccine sites are popping up around Pima County and underserved communities. Just this weekend alone, more than 1,700 people were vaccinated through these efforts. Supervisor Adelita Grijalva oversees a district that was hit hard by the virus.
Statewide, it's really striking, the differences in the population versus the people that are getting vaccinated. And so in order to combat that here in Pima County, we have to do more of those targeted to individual communities.
This weekend, pop-ups were located around Pima County in areas where neighbors may have less access to health care or a harder time traveling to get vaccinated. At 2 of those, Grijalva was volunteering. More than 2/3 of the people vaccinated at those locations are Hispanic. Overall, about 1/5 of those served by the pop-ups were African American. We've reported before that minority communities are often hesitant to take experimental or new treatments. Supervisor Grijalva says she understands.
So if you look at over 75, historically in our society, people of color have been guinea pigs, and a lot of these vaccines were tried out on our community. And so they're reluctant in that way.
She says it's also tough when the request comes from people they don't trust, and it'll really take that personal one-on-one approach with people trusted in their community. And when it comes to outreach, the county's chief medical officer, Dr. Francisco Garcia, says the county is focused on in-reach.
Talking to who the major stakeholders are in that community, in part because we need to manage demand. We need to manage the amount of people who want to come to these sites. We are walking a very fine line. We want just enough demand.
Supervisor Grijalva says she and Supervisor Matt Hines did write to the governor to ask that if there's any other vaccine sites in Pima County to ensure that they are in underserved communities. Sierra Encinas, KGUN 9 on your side.